if you know how to create PDFs with the help of AI, you can also make money like these people are making. Just look at the revenue, guys. This person made somewhere around $42,000 just by selling PDFs on Gumroad. Look at the other screenshot. So this is like they made 308 sales and a total revenue is $4,711 just by selling a digital product. So over here you can see multiple screenshots are there where people have mentioned that how much money that they have made, and you can also do this if you know how to create PDFs with the help of AI. This is as simple as that. But let me tell you what people are selling. So I just searched this personal branding course on this website called Gumroad, and then you can see that there are a lot of people who are selling into this category. And then I saw this gig, LinkedIn Ultimate Content Mastery from Niharika Korsodi, and she has got 3 reviews for her course, and she's selling at $35. So that means that she made somewhere around $100+ by selling this LinkedIn Ultimate Content Mastery. So just imagine that if you are also expert in making anybody viral on LinkedIn, or you know all the hacks to build personal brand on LinkedIn, then you can create your ebook and you can sell it on Gumroad, and people will buy it because they want to know how you did that, right? Now, if you open the profile of Niharika, you will be able to see that she is selling a lot of other ebooks as well. And there we can see that she is charging $599 for this Summit 21 cohort 12 last cohort. Maybe she is doing some type of premium courses where she is selling at $600, and she has got 6 reviews, guys. 6 reviews per product is $599. That means $3,600 sale with just one product, and she has got like multiple ebooks with multiple reviews. Similarly, let's say you are expert in making anybody viral on Twitter, right? So I'm just gonna search Twitter course. Now let's see what people are selling. Build a business that makes you $100 per day. So they are giving you some type of information, and they are selling it $199. And look at the amount that they have made, $472 with just selling this ebook, right? And then if I go ahead and if I search more, Magic Spell System, VR Chat Avatar Asset, the ultimate web scraping course. So if you know how to scrape data from internet, you can sell this course, guys, and they are selling at $247. They have got 11 reviews. So this is what people are doing on Gumroad. They are utilizing their knowledge, and then they are making the ebook out of it, they are making the PDFs out of it, and then they are selling on these platforms like Gumroad. So I'm sure all of you might have some type of skills. You are expert in some type of knowledge. Maybe you know how to run Facebook ads, maybe you know how to do e-commerce, or maybe you know how to start e-commerce in 2025, right? So whatever skill set you have got, you just have to show that to the world, not for free, but you can charge for it, guys. You can definitely charge for it. But how do you make PDF, how do you make ebook? For that I've made a very detailed video. So if you go on my channel youtube.com/RohanGulati504, and if you go to the video section, then you can see that I have made a video right over here, write a book using ChatGPT. So if you have a good knowledge and you don't know how to create a book, all you have to do is you just have to use the prompts that I have given in this video. So just go and watch this video, and you will be able to create a video, you will be able to create a ebook out of it. And after that, all you have to do is register on these platforms like Gumroad, and once you will register on these platforms, then you will be able to market it. But wait, guys, uploading your product on Gumroad is just one task. Making it available to the right audience and in the searches section and at the top is different. So if you want to know how to rank your ebook, how to rank your digital product content on websites like Gumroad, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to join the exclusive YouTube community where I share all these tips. The link is in the description down below. So I'll create a dedicated video on Gumroad, that how you can sell your product and get it ranked on Gumroad in the top searches, so that like whenever someone search around your topic, your product should appear at the top, and then you will be able to sell your product to the masses, right? But I'm just gonna dive you like how you can create an ebook with the help of Canva, with the help of DeepSeek, with the help of ChatGPT. So let's say I go to ChatGPT. Now I have to give this prompt. I'm thinking to launch an ebook to sell on Gumroad for how to do personal branding on LinkedIn. I want you to analyze about me and what steps I have taken in order to grow my LinkedIn profile. Make an ebook on my pointers and experience. So this is the simple prompt that you have to give to ChatGPT. On the basis of your prompt, ChatGPT will gonna create an ebook for you guys. After that, there comes the designing part, there comes the editing part, because this is a very simple prompt that I have given to ChatGPT. Now I also have to include some screenshots that I have got. For example, like my LinkedIn profile has got 4 million impressions in just 90 days. So that is what I have to mention it inside this ebook, right? So I have to mention all the screenshots, I have to mention how I write content for LinkedIn, how I plan content for LinkedIn, how I viral my post on LinkedIn. On the basis of all these things, your ebook will get ready. So do not make this mistake where you just give the prompt to ChatGPT and then ChatGPT will give you the content like this and that's it. You will say that okay, my ebook is ready. No, you have to make it very detailed. You have to add your experiences. The reason is that nobody wants to read the general things. They want to read your experience. They want to analyze what you have done. They want to read how you have got the success. Everybody wants to read that part, right? So now you can see that like it is a very normal introduction. Building a strong personal brand on LinkedIn is one of the most effective ways to establish authority, generate opportunities, and grow your network. This ebook will guide you through the strategies and techniques that have helped me scale my LinkedIn presence to over 4 million impressions and attract a niche audience to CEOs, founders, and CMOs. Now, crafting a compelling profile, creating engaging content. Now, if you look at the engaging content, your first 2 3 lines should grab attention. This is what everybody is talking about. What's a different case? Now you have to understand that you're going to sell an ebook on how to get 4 million impressions on LinkedIn, and then you are writing your first 2 to 3 lines should grab attention. Do you think that people will pay you to read just this line, which they might have heard from every corner of the world? No, absolutely no, right? So you have to mention that how by using these hook lines you have got 4 million impressions. So if you go on my LinkedIn profile, so let me just open my profile first. So now when I say that like I have got 4 million impressions in 90 days, now nobody wants to read that your first 2 to 3 lines should grab attention. Everybody wants the example. Everybody wants your experience. So you have to mention your journey. That when you were writing a very plain sentences, you were not getting impressions, you were not getting likes, you were only posting the content daily. But in spite of posting daily, you were not getting the right attraction. But when you change your strategy after analyzing the results that you have got, that is what people wants to know. So do not make this mistake where you just write the general things. You have to make them very interesting. You have to provide the real value, and the value will come from your content that you have used on your profile. So market it out, whatever content you have used. For example, like recently I've posting down on the basis of a lot of emojis, a lot of small sentences and other stuff. So you can see that like I'm getting 8 likes again, and then look at the likes, 15 likes, 14 likes, 9 likes, 17 likes, 27 likes as well. So this is how I'm getting the engagement out of it. So I am using a lot of different statistics, lot of different ideas, innovation, other stuff. That is what helping me to get more engagement on my LinkedIn profile, and that is why I can say that like my LinkedIn profile has got like 4 million impressions in just 90 days. So when you like portray what you have achieved, how you have achieved it, and how the same technique will help your viewers as well. That is what why people will pay you. So they won't mind paying for the actual scenario, they won't mind paying for your experience, they won't mind paying for the real secret. So do not hide anything from your real audience. Just go ahead, write it down and sell it on Gumroad, because Gumroad has a lot of potential, guys. And if you want to know more in depth, don't forget to join my exclusive community, and the link is in the description below.